Hey there Pixel fans! So we are all waiting to get our hands on to Pixel 6a. We know that the pre-orders will start on July 21st, while the device will go on sale on July 28th. In total, it will land in 13 countries, namely Australia, Canada, France, Germany, India, Ireland, Italy, Japan, Singapore, Spain, Taiwan, the UK and the US. Well, we now know the pricing as well, courtesy of Android headlines. But there is one inconsistency in the pricing. It's very well known that the US pricing will be $450, but as per Android headlines, it's $599, which coincidentally is the price for the Pixel 6. So there might be some error in this, or it could be $599. You be the judge. In any case, take this information with a pinch of salt. As you can see, based on the converted price tags, the Pixel 6a will be the most affordable in Japan. Also, the pricing for India is not available at the moment because it will likely land later than the rest of the markets. But we are happy to see it actually land in India. It's better late than never. Also, Google's apparently gotten so bad at keeping its Pixel phones under wraps that we are almost forced to believe it's all done on purpose. Google Pixel 6a has been listed on Facebook Marketplace by someone trying to sell them from Malaysia. And the same person posted a video of this on TikTok as well. It comes with all the packaging, accessory and paperwork that one expects from a final product. And if you have noticed, it doesn't come with a charger in the box, which is a norm these days. Anyways, as for specs, the Pixel 6a features a 6.1-inch OLED screen with the same punch-hole design as the other 6 series devices. It comes with HDR and Full HD Plus resolution, par for the course, but only a 60Hz refresh rate. Internally, the Pixel 6a features the same Google Tensor chip, which is the standout feature of the device. The phone will include 6GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. This phone also supports much of the same wireless tech with Wi-Fi 6E and 5G supported on all carriers. Pixel 6a also has Titan M2 security chip on board. The camera setup consists of a 12.2MP primary camera and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens. Up front, the device has an 8MP snapper. The new Google Pixel runs on Android 12 OS and Android 13 update will follow soon. With 3 expected OS updates, your Pixel 6a should receive updates through Android 15 with security updates for at least 5 years. The Google phone is also backed by a 4410mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, which isn't that fast if you consider what other brands offer as fast charging. In any case, if you are looking for a clean software experience, power and a great camera, then the Pixel 6a is likely to be a real winner. With that, we are at the end of this video. Thank you for watching and as always, catch you in the next one.